Let's cook
Lechon Pork Belly!
Hello guys! So now I'm gonna teach you how to make a lechon belly.
Wow!
So this is the pork belly that we bought. I already washed it and dried it using a paper towel. It's up to you how big you want it. You just need salt and pepper and lemongrass. So first you will put salt, pepper, and just massage it. Lemongrass, the skin, then put it in a separate. That's it. We just need to tie it up and put it in the fridge overnight. Then it's ready for tomorrow.
Okay.
So I need your help to tie it up.
Sure.
Okay?
Alright. Okay.
Okay. So we will start on the
Middle or the side?
side. It's up to you how do you want it. Some they will do it continuously, but I just want it like intermittent tie.
Okay, one down, then we'll do the other end.
And after that, it's easy to do already. Yes. And then there's this excess here. Just put it inside. Okay, and then that's it. But we need to brush it with a soy sauce to give a color. I think this is the fourth time that I'll be doing this pork belly, right?
Yeah.
And we don't use a lot of ingredients inside. Some they will use onion, onion leaves. If you have one, you can use it, but this one tastes good already, right?
Yep.
This one will add flavor and color, And then put it on the other side. Just make sure everything is brushed up with soy sauce. Okay. now we need to put this one in the fridge. You can leave it like for a few hours, but we will be using it tomorrow, so I'm gonna be cooking it tomorrow. So it will stay overnight in the fridge, you know, to marinate it more and to dry it more. Then it will be crispy tomorrow when we cook it. Okay, this one will be good. Now let's go to the fridge and leave it overnight or for a few hours.
Alright, okay. Before we proceed in this episode, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell.
So now, it's time to put our pork belly in the oven. So as you can see, I already preheated the oven to 325 degrees. Then, we will just leave it for 2 hours at this setting. And then, we will increase it to 350 degrees. And we will leave it there for another hour. So, total of 3 hours. Okay? See you guys later for our finished product. Look at that! After 3 hours, it will be that crispy already. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, we will just rest it. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's ready to be chopped. Okay, so now we will start cutting this pork belly.
Oh yes!
See, it's crispy. Anyway. Okay. Let's do this.
So how's the taste?
Ang taste ganito.
Now we are done cooking the Lechon Pork Belly. Till our next vlog, happy cooking!